Welcome to ByteVision YouTube channel. How to set up and configure Amazon affiliate program tutorial video. Open Google Chrome browser and type a website https://affiliate-program.amazon.in. Change the location to your current location, so for tutorial I'll be selecting country as India. Change the language settings as your convenience language. Then click Sign In button. Now come down and click to create your Amazon account button. Now fill up all the mandatory fields like your name, email, password, and as per my personal opinion set the complex password. Once you click the button Create your Amazon account will create automatically. Click Sign In button. Now enter your registered email ID and your sign-in password. Once you click Sign In button you will landed to affiliate-program.amazon.in homepage. Now click to profile down arrow and go to account settings. Here you need to complete the mandatory settings like edit your website information if you have your company website. So as of now go to change payment method. Complete the two-step verification, you will receive OTP to your registered mobile number. Pay me by NEFT 1000 rupees only. Minimum earnings will be automatically selected by default. Here enter your company bank account or your personal saving account details for further processing. Then click button Submit. Go back to your associate account and click on Manage your tracking IDs. Now click on Add Tracking ID button. Here you will see multiple tracking IDs as per social media platform like WhatsApp, ByteVision 21, Facebook, ByteVision 21, Instagram, ByteVision 21, ByteVision 21. So now I'll create a new tracking ID as xaccount for tutorial. Remember tracking ID should be without any space. xaccount 21 is created and 21 is your Amazon affiliate store ID. Go to Amazon website www.amazon.in and log in your Amazon account. First of all verify your login account. Now search the product which you want to promote sales. As per tutorial video I have search car washer high pressure gun product. Now scroll down the web page to view more product details. Click on your product and review your product unit. On top of your Amazon login homepage you will see Influencers and Associate Site Stripe option. Click on Get Link button to generate. System will automatically generate promo product link. Now select your tracking ID as per your desire, so I will be selecting xaccount ID, since I'm planning to promo on X social media platform. Click Get Link to generate will promo product link. Now system will generate new link and by default short link will select. So per my opinion select short link instead full link, since it's lengthy and people will be confused. Copy the product link and come to New Browser tab. www.twitter.com or x.com. Now sign in your X account accordingly. Click on Post button and copy-paste the promo product link. And copy all product information to describe more details to your customer. Then press Post button to publish on X social media for product campaign. So now like and repost your product campaign to your friends and your followers. For more details about earning reports generation and other sales tracking tutorial videos, like and subscribe by Byte Vision YouTube channel. Thank you for watching Byte Vision YouTube channel. Please like and subscribe.